how much was going out to generate 90,000 gross?
Yeah. So I don't remember those numbers so much as that was someone else's program. And then my son said, Mom, if we sell our own, our profit will be a whole lot bigger. So every evolution we made was just solving a problem to better enhance our profits. So with that, I do recall when we used Google AdWords, we had about a $10 to $15 profit off a $67 ebook. Well, it becomes literally a pure money machine at that point. You can't pour enough money in because as long as you're making profit, 15 bucks. So we were doing up to about 100 grand in Google AdWords at that time per month. And so
the formula is if I spend $10,000 and it nets me this much, then if I want to make 3 times this much, I got to spend $30,000. And so the question is, how much can you put in?
Exactly. Yep. So it's a matter about being judicious and wise and funneling that right back in. Plus, it's about what's called having a back end, an ascension funnel. So when we were brand new, we didn't have much of an ascension funnel. We used someone else's. Well, we had a free back office training that we gave, but then we referred them on to other services, affiliates, because we didn't have the bandwidth at that time. We weren't at that level. But I sure have learned back-end sales. I've been doing it for 15 years is how long I've been doing online marketing, but then shifting into e-commerce the fall of 2013.